Mathematics class 8th, chapter 2nd, exercise 2.6, and we are here on question number 6. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So let's imagine we have two guys, namely Hari and Harry. Whichever you would like to name them, that's based on your imagination. We are given certain hints and we have to find their present ages or their current ages. So first of all, we will write the given part. The first line, it says ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. By this, we mean present ages ratio of Hari and Harry is given to us, that equates to 5:7. And in second line says 4 years from now, that is after 4 years, their ratio would change and it will be equal to 3:4. The same has been written here. 4 years from now, ages ratio of Hari and Harry would be 3:4. No more further hints. With this, let's try to solve our question. We have understood from our previous interactions on ratios that there is a hidden multiple when we consider ratios. By this we mean that this is not their actual ages. There must be some common multiple by which we will multiply both these ratios that would give us their current ages. As we usually do, we will consider that variable, and obviously since we are dealing with ages, we will consider our variable with a small letter a, because variables are always denoted in small letters, and we have considered the first alphabet, that is a, from ages. Henceforth we are writing let current age of Hari be equal to 5 into a years, because we have considered our common multiple as small letter a. This would give us Hari's present age. Similarly, let current age of Harry be equal to 7a years. We need to multiply that common multiple with our given ratio. So 5a and 7a will give us their present ages, which we shall find based upon our another hint, which is 4 years from now, their ages ratio would change to 3:4. So if they are right now 5a and 7a, after 4 years, their ages will be increased by addition of 4 to these current ages. This simply means if you are 12 right now, after 4 years, you will be 12 plus 4, that is equal to 16 years old. Therefore, we wrote Hari age 4 years from now would be his present age, that is 5a, and we are going to add 4 years to it. This will be Hari's age after 4 years. Similarly, Harry's age 4 years from now would be 7a plus 4 years. As simple as this. Also, we are given that the ratio would change to 3:4. So we wrote also 5a plus 4 in denominator, 7a plus 4 equates to 3:4. That's why we need to add 4 to both these ages so that we could equate it to our new ratio after 4 years. So you see how we progress towards a question. We progressed from current ages to their ages after 4 years, and we did so because after 4 years ratio was given to us. So in this way you have to frame your question inside your mind and move forward accordingly. Now this would give us our equation. We have solved such type of problems in our previous questions from 1 to 5. So it would be simple to solve this. Call it cross multiplication or shifting of denominators to other side. We are going to do the same operation. So 4 would get multiplied with this complete 5a plus 4, and 3 would get multiplied with 7a plus 4. So we wrote bigger number inside bracket. Hence we wrote 5a plus 4 inside bracket, and it's get multiplied with 4 equal to, as it is, 3 is getting multiplied with this complete 7a plus 4, therefore inside brackets. Now it is just a matter to solve this equation. So we are going to open our brackets. 5a into 4 is 5 4s are 20, followed with a, plus as it is 4 4s are 16, equal to, as it is, 7 3s are 21, followed with a, plus 4 3s are 12. Now we need to separate our variables in our mind. This time we would like to shift constants on left hand side and variable on right hand side, because that would avoid negative numbers. So 16 minus 12, we will transpose positive 12s towards left hand side, it will get minus. So 16 minus 12 is simple, it is 4, equal to, as it is, 21 minus 20, because we will transpose this positive 28 towards right hand side, it will get minus. So 21a minus 20a, it is again simple, we are left with single a. And we have assumed this single a as a common multiple, which will eventually give us their present ages. So value of a equals to 4, Now let's plug our value of A into these both ratios. Therefore, we wrote present ages. Hari's age would be equal to 5 into 4. So it is 5 4s are 20 years, and Harry's age would be equal to 7 into 4 equals to 28 years. So you see how easily we found our answers. We just followed a flow in our mind and moved forward with our given hints. With this, our question number 6 is completed.